Hi everyone, back again to my YouTube and vlog channel. This is MSIMPERFECTO with my babes here. So today we came up with this impromptu plan on New Year's Eve that we are going for winter camping. So talking about Desi winter camping, me and whosoever is going along with me has no experience in terms of the layman Desi winter camp. So today we'll be experiencing all of that and I'll be taking you guys along. So let's go. It's already too late for us to leave for the campsite now. It's around 5:15 in the evening. We'll be leaving around 6. It's already a bit dark, as you can see. Yeah, that's the scenario of being in Canada in winters. But this is going to be the first-hand experience, and I would like to share it with you all. Let's see how our New Year's Eve is gonna be. Stay tuned. We are midway to our destination, which is Pinery Provincial Park, and I'm with my cutie. So yeah, I'm excited. Had our pizza and coke midway because कुछ करने से पहले ही पेट भरा होना जरूरी है. पहले पेट पूजा और बाद में काम पूजा, और अब काम पूजा होने जा रहा है. So stay tuned. We are 1.5 hours away from our destination, almost 1 hour away from our destination now, and we are hunting for firewood. A gas station nikal gaya and there was no supply of firewood. So let's see अब हमारी New Year's Eve पे bonfire हो भी पाता है या नहीं. On our way. Again 1 hour still away from our actual destination, but लक्कड़ मिल गई. So bonfire is happening whether or not whatever time we reach the destination. So
you are not holding anything, no? You
that's
so
the
want to hold something.
update.
Hold the chinas.
Got it at 7-Eleven. Happy New Year. Happy Lakkad. 8 minutes away from our actual destination, and it's 9 p.m. to be exact.
Turn left.
And yeah, almost. We have reached Pinery. Finally.
Your destination is on the left.
चलो चलो आगे मैप होगा.
So this is our campsite. This is someone else's behind the tree, and this is our campsite. Ooh. And temperature. What is the temperature, Ayushi?
I don't know.
Ayushi is looking like a bhalu already.
You're being mean. There is no network in my phone, so I can't tell you what's the temperature right now.
Okay, so no network area in snow-cladded campsite. So this is going to be our first Desi winter camping experience.
Oi. Oi.
Sweetie, do some work, okay?
Look at how they do snow shoveling. Okay? You use pizza cardboard. Then you forget.
Jijo, come on!
This will be our sitting place.
इसको जीजू उठा के उसके पीछे कर देते हैं. अबे ठीक है.
Sweetie!
बहुत दूर लग रही है आँख.
अरे यार अबे तू टेंशन ना ले.
So we were able to clean a good portion near the fire pit. Probably we'll have some kind of ease in lighting up the snow, and some people are just posing. Aman is trying to break the firewood. Yay! Ayushi and Himani are setting up tent.
के ऊपर टेंट बिछेगा. टेंट के अंदर बिछाएंगे हम.
Ayushi, Ayushi.
I'm in a very bad position.
Himani is looking like, where is your cap going?
सुनो बाद में चलते हैं टेंट.
And that's the sound system. Okay, step 2. We put a shed on the tent to prevent it from getting snow cladded. That's the entry. Woo! Woo! Chalo. It's bonfire time.
टोंग रखी थी यहाँ पे कहाँ गई हो?
This is our buffet for tonight. Some wine, some pani, some khana, some nashta, and some sharab. And where is my shabab? Shabab is right here, wishing Happy New Year. And munchies. And another best part is this place also has public washrooms, and it's so clean. Like, it's so clean. Whew. And also they have charging points in this low network and low battery region. Oh God. Love it. We are getting ready to barbecue some of the paneer. Look at this. Himani, bas, ho gaya. Someone also put it on my sticks. No, from this. Okay, let's go. 2, 3, go.
ओ हेलो, मेरे बिना कैसे?
अमन तेरा प्याज गिर जाएगा.
मेरा प्यार नहीं गिर रहा.
प्याज गिर जाएगा.
Roasted. Oh my God. मेरा फोन जरूर गिर सकता है किसी का प्याज गिरे. अमन बिल्कुल फुल स्विंग में. This I've shown you guys before. पर ऐसे हम कोल्ड ड्रिंक ठंडी करते हैं कनाडा में. When you are camping. So it's been, I think, 5-10 minutes and it's chilled. Cool. Happy New Year's. So this is coffee in the making. We have some warm water from this thermos. Tea India thermos. Then that's coffee. Coffee. प्रॉपर पैकिंग करिए पॉलिथीन वगैरह डाल के फिर
Then we have this
शीट डाल के फिर
coffee
कंबल डालें 2-3 फिर उसके ऊपर रजाई डाल दें.
That's it. And coffee is ready. And the lavish dinner that we have here. Everything is frozen. घर के परांठे which we are about to sakofy in आग.
ओहो लकड़ी के साथ
ठीक यार, लकड़ी तो साफ है.
इससे अच्छा इस पे रख दो.
नहीं, वो गंदी है. ये
लकड़ी पे ना हमने वो तेजाब वेजाब फेंका है सब. तुम चिपका के उसको कर रहे हो. एक सेकंड, तेजाब तो नहीं फेंका जीजू, आप तो बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम ले गए. जो भी है हैजार्डियस तो था. हाँ वो पॉइजनस है वैसे. जो भी फेंका था वो पॉइजनस है.
yeah, and it's here.
इसकी फोटो
She wants it.
लकड़ी से मतलब है ना, उसको हमने पॉइजन छिड़का हुआ.
फाइनली यार पराठे, छोले and अचार are now ready. छोले गरम करने के लिए we had no suitable utensil, so I'll be having that. और पराठे पहले हमने लकड़ी के ऊपर हीट करे थे. That we avoided because we had wood oil on it, which can be hazardous. It's not evident but can be, so to avoid मरना अभी इतनी जल्दी. And the food. आज रात का इंतज़ाम. We have a sheet underneath. उसके ऊपर टेंट. उसके ऊपर because this is the shoe side. Then we have another layer of sheets, then a blanket, then on top of that one more blanket, then our self-part. It wasn't enough. We basically needed proper insulation pads. Then second we need sleeping pads or sleeping bags in order to cover you from 360-degree angle, because air will enter from anywhere. This is good enough to protect the wind from entering in, but still has loops and holes and sheer places which will let the air seep in. So yeah, keep that in mind when you are selecting a tent, and keep the altitude, wind temperatures in mind when you are going for adventure like this. We already knew about the temperature, but हमें लगा हम अपने देसी जुगाड़ करके बच सकते हैं. So yeah, that's like an after story on that. Changed and
So everyone is awake now, and here we are making coffee.
वीडियो आपको मुझे भी रिकॉर्ड
दिल ते लड़दा हूँ मेरे इश्क दा नाग दमूहा